thanks for joining me today. Have to do a small job on this RD500LC, but this does give you a chance to look under the hood of one of these classic motorcycles. The engine is a 500cc liquid cooled V4 two-stroke. You can see the airbox and the rear bank of cylinders with its rear exhaust. Now see the rear exhaust twist and run along the back of the bike. These are very low compression at 6.6 compression ratio, in harmony with the Yamaha Power Valve YPVS system. Includes a dual crankshaft and reed valve induction, giving you smooth power delivery and makes the bike very easy to ride. With 4 Mikuni carbs are on each side in pairs that feed each cylinder through a 90-degree intake manifold, producing about 88 brake horsepower at 9,500 RPM. Top speed 145 mph. So for a 1985 bike, not bad being 38 years old. The 2 carburetors located here and here, with a fuel tap and choke. This is the clamp that fits onto the lower carburetor and clamps into position, which is what I need to replace. The airbox manifold is located here, and the airbox would mount from there to cover the carburetors. From this view you can see how compact the RD500 is. The airbox, when finished, will fit here, with the fairing then going onto the outside. If the engine was running, you can see the carburetors open and the slides open up to increase the fuel and power to the bike. Well, let's take it for a spin and see where it goes now.